Ever since I was little, I've been obsessed with food-shaped items and accessories. This, of course, means I'm always on the hunt for food-themed crafts, arts, or trinkets. So this video, we're going to be exploring the wonderful world of Whipple. What is a Whipple kit, you ask? And where do they come from? Well, due to the official Whipple website redirecting me to a rarely updated YouTube channel, there's not too much information available about the company and what they do. Their YouTube channel is just full of short videos introducing you to their product and showing you how to use them. But from what I can gather, they are a company called Epoch. The company appears to be located somewhere in Japan. I just assumed this because of the tons and tons of Whipple kits offered for sale online in Japanese. And honestly, I'm kinda jealous. The Japanese have so many more options than the US has. And even if I ordered the Japanese version of the kit, I can't read Japanese. Or at least not yet, but what can you do? I guess these types of cutesy crafts are more popular there. So this particular Whipple kit is called the Deluxe Whipple Set and is on sale on Amazon for $23.85. eBay has tons of sellers selling both Japanese and English versions, but it looks like mostly Japanese. So let's get started already. Time to unbox this big baby. So here's what the box looks like. Very cute and very colorful. I was kind of nervous about my box getting damaged because the delivery man just kind of yeeted my package at my door. But it looks pretty much unaffected by its unfortunate manhandling. So here's what I got inside the box. This little, looks like this is the cake. Oh wow, that's a little trinket box. That's cool. Alright, so it comes with these little icing bags. This one is a very nice pink, like a very pastel-y pink. It's really pretty. Got this icing too. Looks like we have a white and a green one. They're very mushy, like how you would imagine icing to be. It's a bunch of bits and pieces. It seems to be the little plasticky decoration stuff that goes on the cakes and the pastries. So we're just gonna open that one. It seems to rip very easily. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a very thick sort of cardboard, but it's just coming apart easily. I'm kind of scared. So look at these really cute stickers. Or kind of like, this is not really a sticker. It kind of feels like, how can I describe it? It kind of feels like a cardstock, like a very nice greeting card. That's how thick it feels. So it comes with our instructions, thank goodness, because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to figure this out myself. So this is the craft we're going to start with, just because it looks the easiest. We got these little charms. They kind of feel like polymer clay charms, but they have like, I don't know, it feels very textured. I really like it. It feels pretty realistic. And here's his front, his back, little keychain. He's very cute. I love it. He has like these little pointy things. Maybe it's to stick together or to stick into the, whatchamacallit, the icings, maybe? But I really like how realistic, like they did the extra work here for the texture. That's very nice. Little toot. Oh, look, I did it. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. That. I think they look pretty neat, if I do say so myself. They look kind of pointy. Kind of really pointy. That's okay. We will make this work. I'm going to place them down. And I'm going to place him on top. Just gently place it on top. Now, I'm going to be doing the blue and yellow hearts. What it's telling us right here is to do 5 little swirls. Shouldn't be too hard, right? Press it down, do a little swirl. That's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Press it down, a little swirl.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Drop it, and you don't really look that bad. It's not. Next, what we're going to be doing is this little swirl right here. It looks relatively easy, so we have some high hopes. We have our little tart here. We have our icing, our little leafy thing, little 5 little bees. Oh, wow! Really like how it looks. We're gonna take our little piece of paper, our little charm right there, we're gonna pop that out right here. And then, we need to make sure this is right side up, and stick that right above it. This little guy right here, we're supposed to be doing the sideways stars on it, and let's get started. Well, that one was a complete fail, but we have plenty other dishes to try. So my battery cut off last night, but this is what the cupcake ended up looking like. It's really cute, and it's a little trinket box, so I guess you could put things in there if you wanted. Alright, so this one is supposed to be a little swirl. So let's go ahead and do that. So here's my review of this Whipple kit. This kit comes with everything you're gonna need to make all the cute little desserts. I was kind of afraid I was gonna run out of icing, but I didn't. They give a smidge extra product. This kit is very beginner friendly. It does take a while to get the hang of making decent looking icing stars and swirls. I even dropped a few of them in mid-decoration, but they still looked alright. The materials are sturdy and high quality, no weird factory smells, and nothing was broken. But here's some problems I had with it. There are a lot of small beads and decorations that are very easy to lose if you're not careful. Having a shallow bowl helps with this, but if you drop a bead, it's pretty much gone. The icing is a bit hard to handle. The consistency will be too runny at times or too stiff. I'm not completely sure if I'm to blame for that. Maybe I needed the icing too much or not enough. I'm not sure. So was it worth it? I think this kit is super worth the 23 bucks I paid for it. Its high quality materials with pretty simple instructions make for frustration-free crafting. You could easily get 2 to 4 hours of fun out of this, depending on how fast or slow you worked and if you chose to do it with a friend. Just be mindful of not losing your super tiny decorations and you'll do great. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please consider liking or subscribing if you like what I do on this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!